Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox a very new subscription box. Till now no channel it was published. That is rose petal box. You can see. So the price of this is 300 guys, and they have a 350 one also. You need to pay 50 rupees shipping extra. So it came with this packaging to me. It's cover package with the rose petal box written on it, and so all the goodies I will be showing. So first of all, they have sent me a card, rose petal box with this kind of thing, and hello, thank you for the purchase. Hope to see you soon. And what are the contents and the price was listed here. So I will be reading out, and the star product in this is Lakme Kajal guys. So the Lakme iconic Kajal 22R is the star product. It is a not smudge or waterproof, ophthalmologist tested, suitable for contact lens users too. So this is the one, and the shade is deep black guys. So this is the one, and the price of this is 150. So they have sent this one. So we all know how the Lakme icon deep black kajal will be looking like. So I'm not going to open this, and I'm going to give away this one in my second thing, okay, as a makeup product. So I'm keeping it aside. And the next product they say is Wadi soap. Okay, Wadi soap. Nowadays this Wadi is more common. It is an exotic kiwi soap for extra cleansing, and it is a handmade soap guys. And the price of this is, nowadays handmade soaps are more than 200 300, but the good thing about Wadi herbals is it is only 40 rupees. So that is the good thing about Wadi. And how it looks like, obviously kiwi. How it smells, yeah, it is smelling like kiwi, and it is transparent soap. So this is a good one. So the next product is, so we have that makeup product, and I will tell you the makeup range. We have one more product, that is the lipstick. Okay, the lipstick is from NM. Okay, so this is the lipstick, NN lipstick, and the shade is 12, number 12. The shade looks like this. So it looks like this. So I'll swatch for you. So this is how it looks like. Okay, it is a pink, mauve pink color. Okay, so this is the shade of it, and the price of this NN lipstick is 100 rupees. So that is a cheap lipstick. The lipstick, I do not like even the packaging. This looks very cheap. And the next product is in beauty care is Add Scrub. Okay, so this is the scrub, Adds Natural Apricot Scrub with soothing cocoa butter. So this is a cocoa butter scrub, so it is very good for winters. It has all almond oil, lemon oil also, which will remove all the dead cells and gives healthy and younger looking skin. So this is a very good one for this winter. So like the skin range products, the price of this is 70 rupees. So all these are very affordable products guys. If you want, you can buy from the market even. So these are all nothing super or super rare that we cannot get it. We can get all these things in the market. And next in the makeup range is this one. This is Fool's Nail Paint. So if you want to see the color, guys, I'm already wearing this color. I do love this color. I love this nail color. In the packaging, see guys, this is a round one. So I like the nail polish and the kajal. I don't like the lipstick. So it looks like this. It's a good one. Okay. And after the makeup, beauty, now it comes to the jewelry range. I forgot the price of this nail polish is 35 rupees. I definitely say they have mentioned all the genuine prices. The nail polish price is not mentioned on that, so even they write some costly also, we would have believed it. But everything pricing was very genuine, guys. And the next thing is they have sent 2 jewelry pieces. The price of this is 100. So it looks like this. Super cool earrings. I love this. I love all the oxidized silver earrings, guys. So I love this. And the second earring is the 140, and this is how it looks like. I don't know which earring is which price. They have just written as earrings 140 and 100. So I'm assuming this one as 140 because it has some gold color, silver color, everything. This is a layered earring, so we have one layer of it. If you want to wear this one as only this one, you can remove this one also because it is a layered one. Okay, and just wear this single one. Just you need to do is you can remove from this small earring and you can wear this. Or else if you want to wear only this one, you don't want to wear this gold one also, you can do that by removing. We will have 6 looks with these earrings, guys. So probably because of this layered earring, this is 140. So this is all there in this bag. The total price of this will be 700, and what I paid is 800. What I paid is only 300. So it is definitely a good budget one. If you want to buy this, definitely go for it. So that is all, except for the lipstick. All the products are good and genuine, and the pricing is very genuine. So that's it, guys. That's it, guys, in the rose petal box. See you with the next video. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's all, guys. Bye bye.